Hey guys, this is JT over at Whirlwind Games. We are here with old Tyler over here, and he just purchased a full display of Maximum Gold. We're gonna open it today. You ready?
Woo! Sure.
All right.
See how this goes.
All right. Let's see if we can get another box that has the 5 packs in it.
Yeah, I was looking, got that one.
Here, let's actually. Do you want to just open up all these?
Yeah.
And then just do the packs.
I was just going for. Yeah.
See what you get.
How many are in each pack?
It says 7 cards per pack.
Microcoder, Connoisseur, the Weather Painter Rainbow, Prank Kids.
Oh, you got
We got an Elwich the Golden Lord. Isn't that the alt art?
Yep, that's a good one. So we got Elmel, Hero, Neos, and Ray. And then some gold rares. So flip that around.
Oh, so they can.
You should have another one. Yeah, you have.
I'm completely overlooked it. Code XO Code Talker, Dragon of the Ice Barrier,
There you go.
Ghost Mourner, and Moon Knight Chill.
Oh, that's the alt art. That's a good.
Is that? I think I have 2 of those now.
Yep. So, I got an ice barrier as well, and also a fire formation or a tin key.
Cool.
And then some cards.
Some cards. Going over everything, man.
And I just got some Yu-Gi-Oh cards. That's all.
Just some plain cards. Boomerang Gate, Golden, Permathmic,
Rhythmac?
something like that.
Oh man.
Ultrageist. That's cool. Cursed.
Neato.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, Prank Kids. And oh, you got the Bigfoot alt art.
There we go. Side frame, weather. Hey, fossil dino.
There you go.
I thought about building dinos. Oh, look at that.
There you go.
Hey, the card's kind of fucked up.
Oh dude. That one's
It's missing a little bar of gold.
Hey, it's a Craigslist light play.
There we go.
Alright, so your Rocket Tracer and Scrap Chimera.
There we go.
That's a card. Hey, you remember when that card was like $40?
Was it?
The original printing was for
Wow.
a brief period of time.
And a side frame driver. Invocation.
There you go, that's a card.
And then Conquistador of the Golden Land.
Yeah, the
Hopefully-
Oblich trap card, right?
Yes.
Oh my god, look at that.
Are all these in frame?
Oh, bud.
I can't see what that is.
I
Oh,
got-
is it the Rose Dragon?
I got Rose Dragon, but it's jacked.
Is
Look
it?
look at that. And then the other one was, oh, you got a Pot of Extravagance.
There we go.
That's a card.
Like seeing that. Lost World. Black Dragon Cold Circuit. Hey, Ghost Mourner and Moonlight Chill.
Oh, you got another one.
Yeah.
It's right here.
Oh, there.
Just you know.
Stack 'em. And then
Oh, we got
Cursed Outland. Nothing else. Just some Yu-Gi-Oh cards, fellas.
That Black Rose Dragon is pretty nice.
I pulled 2 of them earlier.
Oh, bud. I got another one. This Nightmare Unicorn alt art that's just jacked.
Oh, I have a regular
Is it the same sort of
Yeah.
double printed.
double print the exact same way?
Yeah. And another tingy.
Cool.
Or tin key. I don't know where I put the other one. There it is.
That's awesome. I'd play that.
Dude,
That was
right?
playable.
That's awesome. Oh man.
Hey, I got another Nightmare Unicorn, but it's not the alt art.
Is it jacked?
No?
No, it's.
And another Pot of Extravagance.
There you go.
Where'd you put that one?
Right down here. You just leave it at the top. It's fine. Alright.
And then some Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
Let's see here. I got a Weather Painter Rainbow,
There we go.
Scrap Dragon, and Destiny Hero Plasma. I think that is Plasma the one you play with for DPE? Play Plasma and Driver? Or no? Dasher.
Dasher and
Prank Kids.
Celestial, okay.
you can swap the Dasher out.
Starlight.
Oh.
Starlight Road. Nice, Torrential Tribute. I kinda needed another one of those.
There you go.
Special time.
We got, another Nightmare Unicorn.
Oh, there's 3.
And we got Lynn. And some cards.
Some cards. Verte got reprinted in this. I'm kind of behind on it.
Yes, for Day to get reprinted.
I got another
The big card.
Conquistador of the Golden Land
Oh, there you go.
and Outledge of Black Awakening. Do we have pull one of those over there?
I don't think so.
Right there. Look at that.
Alright, so we got a Driver, Eva, a Lampseas, got a Rose. I think we had a Rose
I think we
already.
did too.
Nope, we
Nope.
had a Ray. And then we have Elixir of Black Awakening.
There we go.
And then
Oh, is that what this thing? I'm ready to room. Alright, last pack.
is this the time that you get?
Hey, hey! Speaking of what I pulled the Predator Plant Anaconda.
Oh man,
There we go. I'm just gonna go right there in the center.
that's a good one.
And then Sky Striker Ray. Right? Yeah, right.
Right there. Ultrageist.
Cool.
Meow meow. Rocket Red. Conquistador's Golden Land and Torrential Tribute.
Sweet. Now I have
And
3 of them.
Skyker Dragon, Red Hot Dragon, Archfiend Bane. Thank you all for watching. This has been a whole display of
Table of
El
fun.
Dorado, and thank you Tyler for purchasing this and helping me open it.
Yeah.
And y'all have a good one. Bye.